What's up mga ka-Chismax? Ready na kayo? Let's do this! Let's go! Intro! Pasok!
Today, I will be speaking from my heart. Lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay galing sa puso ko. Today, I will take accountability for everything. Nagkamali ako, and I want to say sorry for everything that I have done. It all started last June of 2024. I was in a very dark place. I was lonely. And I was getting attention from Anthony. The kind of attention that I needed. When I sensed that there was this brewing attraction between Anthony and I, nadala ako sa emotions ko. And I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything. And I admitted things to him. And then we broke. It wasn't easy. It was very hard for me. I announced the breakup. The reason why
Ito po, Cesar Castillo Jr. nagsabi, tirahay pa na yan. Baka tirahay pa na iba until next time. So ito lang ang sabi ko, nasa huli talaga yung pagsisisi, no? Well, of course, ito, maging aral to kay Maris Racal, no? Siyempre, nakakaawa siya, babae siya, no? Siyempre, yung lalaki, siyempre, na lumilikot dyan, dapat huwag ganon, no? Pinili niya yan. So, yan yung consequences na hinaharap niya. So, mula kay at nagtataka ako kay Rico Blanco. Tinuring ka ng prinsesa panalo ka na dun. Bakit? No? Ganun talagang tao, no? Hindi natin ma-explain yan. No? Yung puso, paglaro talaga ang puso, no? So, marami ka nakikita. Lililangin ka minsan yan ng puso, no? So yun lang, maging aral to, no, sa lahat, especially hindi lang kay Maris Racal, sa lahat na dumadaan na mga ganyang pagsubok, no. Marami yan, hindi lang naman siya. So ito maging lesson, no. So yun lang mga Chismax, hanggang sa muli. Chismax with the packs. Peace out.